How to delete Instagram chat on both sides. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram chat on both sides. To delete an Instagram chat on both sides, you can unsend messages so they disappear from the conversation for both you and the other person. However, this only applies to individual messages, not the entire conversations. And you will be able to unsend those messages that you have sent, not the ones that other person had sent. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you will find the messenger icon. Tap on this messenger icon to go to your direct messages. Once you reach to this page, here select the chat where you'd like to delete the message from both sides. Tap on the chat to open it. And once you open it, you locate the message that you'd like to delete from both sides. Once you find the message, you need to long press on the message you want to delete and then this drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll be able to see this unsend option. Tap on unsend and it will ask you to confirm. Tap on unsend and then you will see the message has been successfully unsent. The message will be deleted from both your side and the recipient side. Also keep in mind that the other person may have already seen your message. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete Instagram chat on both sides. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.